So hey guys, welcome to yet another video on this channel, and today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can land clients with the help of content marketing in your business, right? So whatever your business you are in, consulting, coaching, or B2B lead generation, doesn't matter, like SMMA, all those businesses can get help from this video. So make sure you watch till the end because today's video contains super valuable information that you are not going to get anywhere in any course or any paid stuff like that. So if you are ready, then let's start the video. So point number one is making content around your audience, or I should rather say making content around your niche. Yes, this is super important, my friends. If you are an agency, an SMMA, or maybe you are in B2B consulting, whatever business you are in, there is a particular set of audience that you want to work with, that you want to be your client, right? So for that reason, to understand that particular audience, you have to create your ideal customer avatar. I'm not going to cover ideal customer avatar in this video, right? I'm just going to make another video about that, right? But you have to understand that your ideal customer is where your content should be going, right? Mainly if your potential customers are seeing your content, if anybody else is not seeing, that is okay. Only you need your potential customers to watch your content, right? Or see your content or read your content, whatever medium you are using, correct? So you have to make sure that you are researching about what are the things your ideal audience is looking for, or maybe what are the things that they are interested in. They are searching on Google, YouTube, or any other search engine, right? And you have to create content around those topics so that it will ensure that these people who are looking for those questions answers, you are always in front of them with those answers. And what happens whenever you give answers to people? They start believing you as an expert, as an authority in that particular niche. And that is why you make sure that you create content around your target audience. And what will happen is we call the law of reciprocity, that whenever you give somebody something and they feel value, right, they get value out of it, they will give you something in return. This is called the value of reciprocity, and this actually applies in content marketing a lot. I have personally seen this thing for my business and many other people's business, right? So that means if you give a lot of valuable content for free on your social media channels like Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, people get value from that. People are going to come to you for their solutions of their problems. That is, they will start doing business with you. So that was point number one: create content around your audience. So now let's move on to point number two, that is giving maximum value. And that is super duper important, because like a lot of people are there who are creating content that is not so good, or maybe that is something that not so valuable, that is not problem solving, right? You have to create content that is problem solving, because like why doctors are getting paid so high? Because they save people's life, right? Why lawyers get so huge consultancy fees? Because they save people from going into jail, right? And how you can also make more money with your business by solving a big problem. And what is the big problem? That can be different according to your industry, whatever industry you are in. You have to research those problems, and you have to create your content in such a way that any of the questions in that particular industry should get answered through that particular content. For example, this video right now is a problem solving content. If you are watching this video, that means you want to know how to create content if you are in social media and want to get clients. And this particular video is the complete solution to that problem. So I am helping SMMA and other agency owners to grow their business. That is my field, that is my audience, right? And if you are an agency owner or as an SMMA owner, you are also my audience. And that is why you are watching this video, because it is a problem solving content that is solving the problem that how to like put content or how to get clients through content marketing. These problems can be solved by this single video, right? And you have to follow the same approach. You have to understand, you have to find what are those problems that people commonly face in your industry and start creating content around that and give maximum value, right? Whenever you are saying 5 points, those 5 points should be of complete value. No BS, nothing fancy, just complete value. And what will happen is people will read those contents, people will watch those videos, and they will try to implement those guides, those techniques that you are providing. And if they get value out of it, they get results. Say for example, after watching this video, you get like $2,000 or $5,000 increase in your monthly revenue in your agency. You'll be feeling amazing, like, man, if I just watch his video and got $2,000, $5,000 increase in my revenue, monthly revenue, then if I go to him, if I learn from him directly, how much increase in revenue will I get in my agency, right? That will be your mindset. And your customers should have the same mindset after they go through your content. And then what will happen? Simple. If they can understand that your free content is giving them so much of value, adding a couple of thousand in their monthly recurring revenue, they will simply get into your program to get more money added into their monthly recurring revenue. Simple. Nothing complicated. Give maximum value so that people can get extra 2 to 5,000 bucks added in their monthly recurring revenue. They will consider you as the number one priority coach or mentor when they want to scale up. Simple. Next point number 3 is around that same topic. Like all those points may seem very much similar to you because all these results around the same thing, like the same niche and then giving max value, but there are slight different, very much slightest difference are there. So the point number 3 will be creating content for a particular group, and this is what we call polarizing, right? Polarizing content. That means if you are in an industry, there will be a lot of people supporting such one particular opinion, and another set of people will be following another set of opinion, right? Say for example, in terms of marketing world, a lot of people think that only organic marketing is the best way to generate revenue or sales. Another set of people believe that organic marketing is very slow and only paid marketing can get you faster results if you are just starting out, or maybe if you want to scale fast, right? So these are the two set of peoples that are majorly present in marketing world. And if I'm a marketing coach, right, I can do two things. Either I create content for both of those parties, like creating content such in a way that all those organic guys will get benefited from, and the paid guys will also get benefited. But that will be a non-polarizing approach, right? What a polarizing approach will be? A polarizing approach is supporting one set, like inside those two, supporting any one of those two sets, right? And not supporting the other. So say for example, if I want to focus more on those people who are in the set of organic, right, organic marketing, I'll be creating contents around organic results, like that I actually create, right? Creating getting clients through social media, getting clients through content marketing. These are my content supporting all those people who wants organic growth, because I support majorly organic marketing, right? And now what will happen is, people who are into paid marketing, they will ignore my videos. They will have a negative mindset about me because I am supporting those organic marketing strategies. But organic guys will look at me from completely different perspective. They will be supporting me because I am supporting those, their opinion, right? I'm supporting that organic marketing is better. So the organic marketing guys will look at my content in a supportive way, that yes, this guy Manav is telling good things. His techniques are so great, right? And why? Because my content are polarizing. They are supporting a particular community, a particular set of people. And that is how you actually create fans. You actually create raving fans and followers, right? You cannot create huge number of fan following, creating like non-polarizing content. You have to be polarizing. You have to create some kind of spark inside the audience, right? So that only one set of people are getting interested in you and not the other. And there they will actually support you. They will actually come and support you that yes, Manav is telling right, organic marketing is better than paid marketing. And there I created some followers, right? But if I have created for both, they will think like, yeah, these are the points I should follow, and there will be nothing like aggressive following on that non-polarizing content, right? So I'll be saying that you should create content for a particular group or a set of people, and that content we call it the polarizing content. Now let's move on to point number 4, that is give away actual content that you teach. Yes, my friend, this is a very much controversial kind of opinion that I'm giving on this video. A lot of gurus or coaches don't share their whole method that they actually use to get their clients results inside their content. They might tell one or two of those factors that they use, but they will not tell you 100%. But if you tell 100% of those factors, right, then you will be asking, Manav, how can I ensure that people will be getting into my paid program, because I'm giving everything for free. So why is there need to join my paid program? So let me tell you, my friend, those are the tactics that they will follow. They can get it anywhere. They can get it from anywhere. Correct? But why they will buy, or why they will join your program is because your support, your hand holding, your guidance, not for those fancy techniques, because there are certain number of courses, several of courses teaching those exact same techniques. Then why should they choose you? They can choose any other guy also over you, right? But it is your attitude, it is your level of confidence on your content, that is you give it away, people get result. They know that I need this person's hand holding support to get more, because I know the technique, but this guy has so much of experience in using that particular technique. He will save me from the pitfalls, and he will be giving me boost in my scaling period, in my growth period, right? So that is the mindset behind giving out your entire content or entire secret out in the market, so that people can use it, and that will get them results, and they will understand, if I want to grow, this is the man whom I should look for. Correct? And the last point of today's video will be back up your content with results. So a lot of people are there who know a lot of things, right? Or maybe they post a lot of things that maybe they don't use by themselves, right? So today I can say that do this thing and make $1 million a month. But if I constantly put content on that particular topic, that how you can make 1 million per month, people will not believe me, because I am not at a 1 million per month level. I may know those factors, right? Because the factors are same in marketing, but the point is I'm not making that, right? If I'm not making that, then I don't have that much authority of telling how you can do 1 million per month, right? Because I don't have results to show you. But I can tell you that how you can make 0 to 10k a month, how you can make 0 to 20k a month, because I in my agency have those results, and I have helped a lot of my clients to get those results. 10k, 20k, 30k, 40k, 50k per month. I can give you that kind of assurance that my techniques will give you that much results. Even they will be giving you much more if you are a much higher level, but still I can definitely back up that with my results. So you have to make sure that for whom you are making the content, right? And can you back up that with your or your client's results? If you can, then only people will start believing you. Then only people will start believing in your content. Otherwise people will think, oh, he is not making that much, how you can say that this technique will work or not, right? But I can definitely say that this particular technique that I'm sharing in this video, or I share on all of my videos, will work, because for that I have results to back them up. I have results of mine, my agency, my clients to back them up. Because whenever you ask, hey man, have you helped somebody to earn 50k? Yes, I have those results, right? You can check on my social media, you will be getting those results, right? So that is the number 5. Option number 5, you have to back your content with your results, that yes, my content, whatever the techniques I share, they work, and these are the results. You can check it out on my social media, right? So these are the 5 points that will help you to create content in such a way that they will land client in your business. Maybe not instantly, but definitely. Maybe not in 1 month or 2 months, but on like from 6 months onwards, client will start noticing when you consistently put content on your social media channels, on your YouTube channels, etc., etc. Right? So if you like these points, give this video a like, because that adds a lot of motivation to me, and subscribe this channel because I put a lot of valuable content related to growth, business growth and scaling in this channel. And if you are new, you should subscribe. Right? So Manav side signing off. Bye bye.